Hey guys, what's up? It's Honesty. So welcome to a new vlog. So it is the new year. I think in the last vlog I did say Happy New Year, but we're gonna say it again just to make sure. Happy New Year to you guys. Today is Friday, January 3rd, and we are heading on a road trip. We are heading to Portland, one of my favorite parts of the island. I'm so gonna move there. Anyways. So yeah, we are heading to Portland. One of my friends, they're keeping their event, and it's actually a yearly event. They keep, he keeps. So I'm heading there with one of my friends. This time, I think the last time I had vlogged it, I went there solo, but this time I have company. So we are heading to Portland for tonight. We're only spending one night there, unfortunately. But yeah, that's how it goes. But anyways, Portland road trip. We're going to a party tonight, just have some fun. And yeah, I'm super excited. We were trying to get to go to the beach. Well, we were trying to even reach Portland early so we can get to the beach, but I don't think that's working out because it's moving on to 12:35 right now. So I don't think beach will be in for today, but I'm staying at Bayview Hotel, Eco Bayview Hotel. I've stayed there before. And they do have a pool there and a beautiful view of the lagoon. So I guess when we get there and we check in, we can just go by the pool area instead of trying to go to the beach, because we're gonna need to rest up for tonight because it is late. It's gonna be a long late night. So anyways, we're in our cute fits. I want to show you guys in the mirror, two-piece fits, and I don't know, I decided to put on the hat. The hat doesn't go, but I'm just feeling like a hat vibes, like cowgirl vibes. Like, I actually bought this hat in a haberdashery. Yeah, I'm feeling a little cowboyish. But anyways, our bags are all packed and we're ready, and let's go on a road trip. And fitters, you see a saltfish tonight? No. Okay. Hey guys, so I am at Portland and we checked into the Bayview Hotel. You know, this is my second time here. So guess what? I can't understand that I say that I'm a vlogger, I'm a YouTube vlogger, and I have left everything. I don't have no tripod at all. Nothing to hold up the phone, nothing to put the phone on, nothing. Crazy. So this is how we will be vlogging for this entire trip, with our hands out and the phone up in the air. But I don't know, I am such a bad packer. But yeah, let's stay in the bathroom. This is actually the bathroom. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys just a quick room tour. The room is messy already because bags is all over the place and on the bed, but give you guys a quick room tour. Then we're gonna head outside by the pool area and have some food and drinks.
Take up some space. You're too far away. Make no mistake. Hey, I think you should stay.
Hey guys, so we're just sitting by the food. I literally just had some food that I bought in town, some jerk chicken and festival. So we're just literally just vibing by the pool area, have a music box and all of that. So the party later, I think we're probably gonna go there like 11 p.m. midnight. So it's a late thing. So we're just vibing for now until it's actually, the weather here, like, it's so chilly, y'all. It's very chilly, but yeah, so I'm just gonna finish eating, vibe until I'm ready to go back to the room and just relax, probably take a nap, which I don't normally nap. Like, if I'm going out, I just stay up, because if I nap, I may not want to get up. So that is the vibe. So it's gonna continue jamming to some soca, y'all.
intimate memories. Every time I give you all my energy, this isn't never sleep. You just make me feel sweet. Ice the cocoa tea, use the sugar, and together we are complete, darling. Is a new wallpaper for my iPhone screen. She said, let me cater to you. I said, cater to me. She said, just.
Hey y'all, so we are all dressed and we're gonna head to the event right now. So let me do a quick mirror check. We're just wearing this casual fit and sneakers. There's actually no long tall mirror in the room, so this is the only mirror in the room. So yeah, that's the fit.
Hey girl, hey girl, what this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though?
Hey beautiful people, good morning. So overview rundown of last night. The event ended like after 4 p.m. It was just so much craziness happening last night. Certain things like I could not show you guys because the party got XXXX triple football, so much X-rated, so that cannot be shown, but it was definitely a fun time. I am heading out now to breakfast before they close off, and then after that I should be going up back the road to my friends. I think he said they're having like a family gathering, so you know I'm gonna go there and fill my belly, and then we're gonna head back to Kingston. I initially wanted to go to beach today, but honestly guys, since we came here, I hope I'm even in the frame. Since we came here, it has been clouded, very clouded. It even rained yesterday for a little bit, and when we were at the party, it rained a little bit last night, just a little tiny bit. So thank God it like did not came down heavily. But yeah, right now outside there's no sun, it's overcast. Anyways, we're gonna head to breakfast. Let's go. Hey guys, what's up? So happy Tuesday. Hope you guys are doing well. So we're all dressed, as you guys can see. We're looking a little bit semi-casual. We are actually going to a launch event. I was invited by my friend, so I'm gonna head there with them to have a ball. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys the fit. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna wear the jacket, but I'm just gonna bring it just in case. And my cute and Klein bag here, regular gold jewelry, and I'm wearing a gold heels. I don't drive in heels, so I'm just gonna wear flats until I get to the event. We put on our heels. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the quick fit. We're still in our U-part wig. I am, you know what I actually should have done is sew in the hair instead of glue, because there are parts, every time I have to be like gluing it. So the next time I make a new part wig, I am definitely gonna do a sewing instead, which will definitely last longer, less maintenance. Anyways, we're gonna head out to the event. I will chat you guys up and see you there.